Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and we're going to show you our 63 Ford F100 Unibody. Just a beautiful truck. Definitely a heavily customized truck. Got a great paint on it. Got a great shine. You can see there in the trees there. Bumpers all look good up front. The grill's been painted. 302 fuel injected. I think, if I remember right, 18's on the front and 20's on the back. Got air shocks. Those got popper or shaved doors, no poppers though. Sorry about the little bit of dirt. It is winter here, but some really beautiful custom interior seats, custom on the dash. This thing is been on a magazine cover back in 14. Restoration was back done then. You know, so a few flaws, I'll show you them. There's that little chip right there. Got a little scratch right there. Still though, nice enough to show. And look at that beautiful bed in there. They did a beautiful job on that. Just one that every place you go, somebody will just think it's about the coolest truck they've ever seen. Especially being a unibody. There they got a little dent there also, and one little blemish right here where they chipped it. So probably 3 or 4 little issues, but definitely a high quality build and still a high quality truck that you can show or just cruise in. And there ain't many unibodies around, so nobody else gonna have one. Plus, nobody's going to have one built like this with a 302 fuel injected in it, automatic tranny, just a cool truck. So, got any questions? Give me a call, 605-695-7391.